Mike, and I'm with MakerBot support, and I'm here to show you today how to realign your gantry on the Replicator 2. So as you can see, the first thing I did was I removed the PVC panels by removing the M6 bolts. And if you take a look over here, you can see that this gantry is really out of whack. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the hex key that was provided in your kit to loosen all four of the pulleys that hold the gantry together by loosening these set screws. So, it's a little difficult to get to. And if I loosen this one, you might need to move the gantry back and forth just a little bit so you can have access to the set screw. Loosen this one. Just a few turns will be necessary. Even one turn, a full turn. Push this out of the way again. Push it a little more till I see that set screw. Okay, now all four of the set screws are loose, so the pulleys can rotate freely. I'm going to bring the gantry up all the way to the front, and I'm going to make sure that both sides of the gantry are completely flush against the front of the bot. With the gantry in this position, I'm going to re-tighten the four set screws. Now here, we have a situation where I can't see the set screw while the gantry is in this position. So I'm going to hold both sides of the gantry and push very gently with equal pressure on both sides until I can see that set screw. I see it now. It's a little difficult to get in there. It's a little awkward getting into this position, but okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the gantry again all the way to the back so that it's flush against the back. And I'm going to do the same thing with the pulleys on the front. So here again, I can't really see this set screw here. So I'm going to push this very slightly forward until I can see the set screw. I'm going to tighten this one. Okay. Make sure each set screw is very tight. Push this again just a little bit. And I'm going to tighten this one. Okay. And now the gantry will be fully aligned again. If I bring it back up to the front, completely flush against the front, hold the right side, and I push really hard on the left side, it shouldn't budge. It should stay straight. And that's how you know you've got an aligned gantry.